In this video, I'm gonna be giving you all the information you need regarding protein and the roles it plays in building muscle. This is gonna be your guide onto the journey of understanding the nuts and bolts of nutrition that's gonna fuel our bodies and minds. So join as we dissect its role, debunk myths, and understand why it's so much more than just a muscle builder. Now, before we dive into the world of protein, let's go over a quick overview of macronutrients. These are nutrients our bodies need in large amounts. Protein, carbs, and fats each play a unique role in providing energy, supporting bodily functions, and ensuring our overall well-being. Now, today, we focus on the powerhouse amongst them all, which is protein. So what is it? Proteins are a complex molecules made up of amino acids, often referred to as the building blocks of life. There are over 20 amino acids, but the spotlight today is on the 9 essential ones our bodies can't synthesize. These must be obtained through our diet, making the choices of proteins sources so crucial. Now, why is protein important? Well, many associate protein primarily with muscle gain. Its functions span broader and deeper on that. Protein is so important for tissue recovery, key digestive processes, transporting nutrients, supporting our immune system, regulating our hormones, and even acting as an emergency energy source. Its versatility is literally unmatched, and that's why it's so important to have high quality protein in our daily diets. Now, when exploring protein sources, quality is the absolute key. High quality protein contains all 9 amino acids in sufficient amounts. Animal-based proteins like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy are considered complete protein. But don't worry if you're a plant-based eater. Many plant-based foods such as quinoa, soy products, and a combination of beans and rice also provide a decent amount of protein profile, although literally nothing can compare to animal products itself. And do not get me started on lab-grown crap. So daily protein needs, how much do you need? It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Your lifestyle, your age, your health goal, and your physical activity level play a massive role. A general guideline, in my opinion, would be 1 gram per body weight or your goal weight. But if you're 300 pounds, chances are your goal weight is around 200 pounds to 180 pounds. So shoot for that amount, 180 grams to 200 grams. Now, the same would typically apply for someone trying to gain weight. So if you are 100 pounds and you want to get to 150 pounds, shoot for at least 150 grams of protein. Now, here are some practical tips for incorporating protein. Incorporating enough protein in your diet requires planning, but doesn't have to be too difficult. Start by ensuring every single thing you eat in a day has protein in it. For those on the go, something like a protein shake or a protein bar can be a very convenient and easy option to get your protein in. And remember, diversity in your protein sources ensures that you're getting a broad spectrum of amino acids and other nutrients. So the role of protein in building muscle. Protein is absolutely essential for helping you build muscle. It helps repair and build your growth, but it's not just about the amount. It's the timing, it's the quality, and it's the overall diet that plays critical roles. Consuming protein post-workout will aid in recovery and muscle synthesis, but overall daily intake is also crucial. You don't want to just stick to post-workout. Now, I will be making a whole other video on this topic, including breaking down the amino acids and nutrition timing. So if you want to see that, drop a comment below. Overall, protein is a powerhouse macronutrient with roles that extend far greater than just building muscle itself. It's vital for almost every bodily function and process. Now, keep in mind the importance of a balanced diet rich high in protein. So if you like this video, you'll love the video I made about a nutrition masterclass. It goes into further depth about protein, carbs, fat, how much you should consume, and a bunch of other stuff. Plus, you're gonna get a free ebook. That'll be in the link in the description below. And if you're struggling on your weight loss journey or don't know where to start, or you need help with your nutrition, then I would encourage you to book a free game plan chat with me. It'll be the first link in the description below to join the 115 people that I've helped lose over 50 pounds and keep it off for the rest of their life. Now remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. Thanks for joining me today. Please drop this a like because it helps with the algorithm. Send this to someone that might find this helpful, and subscribe for more information just like this so I can help you on your health and fitness journey. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.